Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro. Okay, for that we will have three ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these buttons just for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send it here directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time. Power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here on the preview, you're able also now to edit here something like to write something inside or to highlight something if you want. And you can crop also here at the corners a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's status and so on. After you can share it here directly with the arrow or you can save it here directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that, just scroll on right next to the camera and then you will have here the control center, and a part of the control center is here the icon with a scissor in it. Just tap it and you're having a screenshot as well. And the third way to take a screenshot. For that, you will need 3 fingers. Just take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. This is a pretty cool feature, by the way. And where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. Here it is mixed up with the photos from your camera and so on. So I would recommend to you always to go to the albums here on the top, because then you have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe till next time. Ciao.